That's cool. Ready, set, go.
Okay. 20.
I'm gonna die.
So I'm taking off to get all better.
Thank you.
Making a video. We're just snuggling.
Wasn't that noise horrible?
What?
She's making a video.
She's making a video. Everybody whispering.
I know.
Yeah, she's making a video.
Charlie, you're done.
Okay, here I go.
Thank you, Patrick.
Wait on the pillow.
We're using them. We're using them.
Next time you're about.
Here you go, Pat. Here's yours.
What is this for?
For our, like, you know.
Cool, I almost like the orange juice.
Zach, come get yours.
Where are the orange juice, Zach?
Very end. It's in the camera.
15, 16.
Yeah, I know.
Hey guys, go to the
medicine. Yeah.
That's weird.
I had Wario and Daisy. Yeah. Lizzie, we're gonna like jump on you and Daisy.
Lizzie.
Wario.
Stop hurling. Okay, guys,
Patrick, I'm sorry.
Patrick, here's your mama.
I'm sorry.
Hi, Dad.
Are you okay?
Zach, are you pointing in a certain place? What happened? Okay, and now hey, Zach, and now it's Zach, enter one point into the pot. This is the pot.
The what?
He was grossing me.
Oh, let me see. Where'd it hit you?
Sorry, Patrick.
The eye?
I'll take first go.
Poor
You
kid.
take it.
Her finger now or her
Ready,
eye?
set, go.
Excuse me. It did not hit
Now then, you have to pay.
Yeah, it did. It hit my eye.
Oh, that's cheap.
Here, grab a plate next time.
Take him here. Giddy up, y'all. Okay, my turn. Enter two pounds. No, do. Brianna, did you have to stop nicely?
Yes.
Please, and
You're already in big trouble.
dude, come on.
Who?
He was there.
This always this is stupid.
You agreed on it.
No, I didn't. I agreed on buttons. No, that's not putting them in. That's how you play Dreidel. Look, now if you get none, if you get shin, you have to put 2 in.
Oh, look, this is what we did. Remember? 0 is shin, and shin is you have to put it in.
Oh. That was bad. Yes, I got none. Just drink.
You didn't get any of them.
Exactly, that's right. Oh.
No, that would be... No, you need one to get it.
Oh. I just fell down.
Nice going, Brianna. My own daughter's hurting my daycare kids now.
Actually, I got
So,
2.
it does, I tell little kids the same thing. You don't hurt.